a test. Oh, maybe I'll put little Mr. There we go. No, I don't want him there. I need to undo. Undo. Because I really like that one. Backyard. Oh, that could be fun. Right there. There we go. A little camping, which we are. Michelle and I discussed recently camping with her dad and his significant other Mary, and I think her husband Bill. We're going to camp up on Mount Washington and do the Mount Washington hike up, and then we take the shuttle back down. That's in July, so pretty exciting. This is my vision board for 2025. I think I need to put, no, nothing for that. I was kind of hoping. What are elements? Huh, just stuff. All right, let's add a text box. I'm just going to go 2025. Make it really huge. No, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I like it. What do you think? I think it needs to be bold, though. Let's see. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. Let me download it. Download. I'm going to save it, and then I'll share it. Oh gosh, I have quite a few interviews tomorrow. I've got a couple that I'm interviewing, and then I'm being interviewed on a podcast as an equine gestalt practitioner. So that'll be cool. I'll just save it there. Yes. 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 Okay, stop sharing. This was fun. I'm teaching myself things. Bye.